Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I'm going to do two recipes today. One which I think quite a lot of you on my channel like anyway, and one that I like. So I'm going to do, first of all, let me show you, halloumi. I know quite a lot of you on the channel like that stuff. I've only had it once or twice, I think I've had it. The once was terrible, the second time weren't too bad. But what I'm going to do, halloumi. I've never cooked it before, so God help me. I'm gonna wrap it in some bacon, and then at the end some syrup on top. Will it work? I don't know. You've probably done it before yourselves. That's the first one I'm going to do, and the second one I'm going to do is, where is it? Sausage and bacon. You know what that is, don't you? Pigs in blankets, hot dog. Pig in blanket hot dog. I love pig in blankets. And I've just bought some cheap chilli because only me like it in the house, so I'm not making my own. I'm just going to use that. Probably put a bit of chilli flakes in it or something. With some cheese. So let's start with this halloumi first and see how I get on. As I say, I've never cooked this before, so I have had a look online. You can either fry it, it says, or you can bake it in the oven. So I'm going to bake it in the oven, obviously, with the bacon. It does say you can put it under water, a bowl of water, to get rid of the salt or some extra salt, or you can just pat it dry. I'm just going to pat it dry. So I'm going to open it up first. I don't know whether they're full of water inside, as I say, never had my own, but we'll see. This was from Aldi, this was. £1.89 or something it was. That's it there, anyway. So you're all probably experts at this, I'll say I've never done it before, so. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half. It's a bit squashed, isn't it? Look at it. And it say, I didn't even know that on this stuff. It doesn't melt, does it? And I'm going to cut it into like finger bites, like that. And I'm going to pat them dry. It says that's to make them go brown or something, or crispy or whatever. I'll put all the halloumi on a plate. And now for the bacon. I couldn't get any streaky bacon, unfortunately. So I've had to use smoky back bacon. I ain't going to use all this. I don't know if to cut the bacon in half, it's going to be well long, isn't it? Nah, just stick it on. Ain't going to hurt, is it? It's going to be quite a lot here, look. Quite a lot of bacon. But hey, who doesn't like bacon? I love bacon. We'll do it like that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Well, I'm going to do all these like so. They look quite nice, don't they, them? They do look quite nice, to be fair. Right, I'm going to put them on a tray. I put parchment paper down. I don't know whether you're supposed to, but I have. You just collect the juices, won't it, off the bacon, I suppose. That one's come undone. There we go. There's one. Right, wash my hands, then onto the pigs in blanket. I've got myself Cumberland sausages. I love pigs in blanket hot dogs, mate. Absolutely love them. Gorgeous. Just chop them all up first. Then just get your bacon and just wrap again, like you did with your halloumi. I was going to buy the seasoned sausage, you know, the caramelised onion ones and all that, but I never in the end. Just got the cheap budget ones. Right, I'll get all these wrapped up. Done. Lovely. Another tray. I'm going to put these on. So if you've never done them, don't forget you've got to put the thing at the bottom. What's it called? You know what I mean, don't you? So don't come unravelled. But I think everybody has pigs in blankets, don't they? Especially at Christmas and that. What do they call them in? They don't call them pigs in blankets in America, do they? What do they call them? Can't remember now. I'm not quite sure. Oh, there's the pigs in blankets anyway. We'll get them all in the oven now. I don't know how long this Halloumi takes. Maybe 20 minutes, 15, 20. You've got to wait for the bacon to cook, ain't you? So, well, they're about halfway done. So I'm just going to prepare this now. This was, I got it from Tesco, $1.35 this was. But it's good enough for me. Let's open this up. There it is. Basic chili con carne, tin stuff. Low fat it says there, but mild. Smells quite nice. I was going to get the stag one. But I thought, I don't know, because it's only me. So, I'm going to get it in my pan. I'm going to get my thingy up, my hob on. I'm just going to, obviously, just slowly heat it up. With a few chili flakes. Just to get a bit of spice for me. That'll do. As I say, you can make your own of this if you needed to. I mean, especially if you was doing a chili con carne anyway for the family. It'd be bonus, but if you're not, for something nice and simple. So I'll let that do its thing for a bit. Alright, that's done now. Nice simmered. Just started boiling. Should be done. Let me get a spoon and test it. Yeah, that's done. Nice little kick to it as well. So I'll turn that off. And in the meantime, we'll get the cheese on the buns. Well, I'm going to get myself some buns out. Some hot dog finger sticks, all squashed. All squashed, look. I've got some mozzarella. You can use grated if you need to. Just put it on the bottom. And then when it's all done, I'm going to stick this in the oven just a couple of minutes just to melt the cheese. If I can get it in. I wanted some bigger buns, but I didn't have any. Come to think of it, I might not put them in the oven because the sausage is going to melt them anyway, ain't it? Yeah, of course it is. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave them like that. Just check to see how the things are getting on. Yeah, I could do with the bacon a bit more. Bit of fat on them. There's the halloumis. Looking nice. Bit of fat off the bacon. And there's the pigs in blankets. Could do with bacon a bit more crispier than that. I'm going to leave them in a bit longer. I'm going to get the halloumi out now. I've done a couple there frying that as well. I'm going to get the halloumi out. That should be done. Don't need to get too mad. I don't know what it's supposed to look like when it overcooks. There's the halloumi with bacon. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? Apart from the fat. What the hell is bacon in it? Put that on there. And get these on a board. Loads of fat on it, look. But cheapo bacon. Can't have everything. There's them. Yes. They're looking quite nice, aren't they? From my first attempt. I don't know what they're going to taste like. We'll find out. Couple of minutes for the pigs in blanket. I'm going to get the pigs in blanket out now. There they are. Still could do them a bit more crispy, but it's all going to burn in it otherwise. But it's back bacon and it ain't streaky, so. Right, I'm going to get them out. Let's get them on a plate. Because I haven't got no more boards. Bit of fat on them. I shouldn't have put them on the parchment paper either, but never mind. There's them ones. Oh, yes. Right, let's prepare the buns. Right, let's get some pigs in blankets on the, get it on the cheese. Get it melted a little bit. Got nice and thick now, look. Pour a bit on top. Pigs in blankets. Oh yes. Hot dogs. There's them. Looking nice. And your halloumi, whatever it's called, that's what it's called, isn't it? Halloumi. Let's move that out of the way a minute. Some golden syrup on, or honey, or whatever. Drizzle over the top. Why not, eh? I'm looking forward to tasting them now. I don't know what it's going to taste like with the cheese, whether I've done it right. Taste test time then. So, what do you think then? I'm looking forward to tasting them halloumis. And that's up the table. Try them halloumis, Pap. That's that there, that bacon.
What's on my plate?
Yeah, that's that there. See what you think. Cut all the fingers open. Should like this.
Won't stop bleeding.
Won't stop bleeding.
Since yesterday.
No, yes.
It's nice. But I'm not being funny, it's that texture, it's that squeak.
It's that squeaky thing.
On your teeth. Yeah, it is nice though.
Let me have a go.
That is nice actually.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Because I don't eat it a lot.
Because you don't eat it a lot.
Yeah.
Especially with that, isn't it? Got syrup on it.
How is it?
Yes, I quite enjoy them. They're nice.
I like the one. Yeah, I like that.
That's
nice.
the thumbs up to that one. As I say, you probably had it before, like an halloumi and that, so I'm going to have to get a plate for this one. Going to go everywhere. Chili, pigs in blankets, cheese, can't go wrong. It's going to go everywhere though, innit? I can see it coming. Put a cloth in my pocket. Could do with the bacon a bit crispier. What do you think? On my face. What do you think? Nice, but I could do with the bacon a bit crispier.
I like my bacon, I like that though.
I like mine a lot crispier, I do, but It's back bacon and it's not streaky, so.
Mm.
But yeah, look. Cheap meal as well.
What have you got on top of yours?
Chili con carne, to put you in that. You wouldn't
I
eat
don't
it.
like chili
No,
con
you
carne.
wouldn't eat it, would you? That's why I just bought a tin one. But there we go. I'm going to go and eat it now for tea. Try it, or let me know if you've done them. Gorgeous. Especially with a bit of syrup on top, or honey or something. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.